How to change notification bar color on your iPhone. If you scroll down, here you can see your notification bar. If you want to change the color of that bar, then this video is for you. For that, first of all, launch your settings on your device. Now, scroll down a little bit. There you will see display option. Tap on it. From here you can see on the appearance there is only two options, that is light and dark. From your light notification bar you can choose dark notification bar. As you can see now your notification bar is dark. This is the only way to change your notification bar color in your iPhone device. I hope you like this video. If you like this video then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.